Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you modeling a Muqarnas architecture based small hut with simple dome just like this. So let's get started. Take a new scene, go to file, scene, new scene. Take a polygon cylinder, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate the cylinder and rotate this one 90 degree along z-axis. Type here 90. Hide one of the polygon cylinder. Select this. Type here radius 7. Subdivision axis 8. Go to side view. Rotate 22.5 degree along y-axis. Multicut tool. Insert edge loop as shown. Press shift. Press enter. Now press shift and just drag on the edge loop. This will show you the percentage and create edge loop just like this. Click one point here, press shift, press enter. Do the same for the other side. Press enter. Now go to face selection mode. Select this face. Press delete. Go to perspective view. Object mode. Modify center pivot. Move this one up. Modify freeze transformation. Rotate 90 degree along z-axis. Move down. Go to top view. Edge selection mode. Select this edge, this one and also this one. Click connect. Type here 6 on segment. Press enter. Deselect this. Press delete. Select this edge. Press delete. Now go to object mode. Go to perspective view. Unhide your first cylinder. Go to face selection mode. Go to front view. Select the lower half. Face. Press delete. Perspective view. Edge selection mode. Double click on this edge. This will select the entire edge ring. Go to mesh. Click fill hole. Face selection mode. Select this face. Click extrude. Move down. Just like this. Select the face. Go to top view. Turn on X-ray mode. Move the face just here and rotate this one 90 degree along minus x-axis. Turn on wireframe on shaded mode. Move this one here, just here. Select the cylinder. Scale along x-axis. Go to perspective view. Move this one down. Sorry, Ctrl G to undo. Select this one. Turn on X-ray mode. Move this one down. Just here or here. Click extrude and move up just like this. Turn off the X-ray mode. First select this. Shift select this. Go to mesh. Click boolean. Click difference and see. Edit. Delete by type. Delete history and move this one up just here. Vertex selection mode. Select the vertex and move down just here. Object mode. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate this one and move this one just here. Press Shift plus D to duplicate special and duplicate about 80 times. Select all. Go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history. Select this one. Go to deform, nonlinear, select bend. Type 90 degree along Y and Z axis for the bend handle and rotate this one. Type -180 degree along curvature. Select this. Go to edit, delete by type, delete history. Take a polygon sphere. Select this. Modify center pivot. Move this one. Go to top view. Move this one at the center. Press X. Turn on X-ray mode. Select the polygon sphere and scale as shown. Move the sphere up just here. Go to front view, press F to focus or zoom in. Turn on X-ray mode. Face selection mode. Select this face. Press delete and move this one up slightly here. Face selection mode, select this face as shown. Click extrude and scale. Again click extrude sorry, and scale just like this. Again click extrude and move up. Again click extrude, move up and scale. Again click extrude and scale. Take a polygon cube, scale the cube as shown. Scale along y-axis. Select these two objects. Go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history, and move this one up just here. Select this, move down, go to face selection mode, select this face, click extrude and scale. Again click extrude, move up. Again click extrude and scale. Again click extrude and move up. See? So this is the structure which I have told you about. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.